By 9 a.m., the grounds of St. Denis Ssebuggwawo Catholic Parish were already filled with hundreds of devoted Christians, joined by a number of political dignitaries, all gathered to mark the much-anticipated Parish Day celebrations. The celebration opened with a solemn Holy Mass animated by the Archbishop of Kampala, the Most Reverend Paul Ssemogerere. In his homily, the Archbishop urged the faithful to hold firmly to the tenets of their Catholic faith, especially at a time when the Universal Church commemorates the feast of the exaltation of the Holy Cross, a symbol of both sacrifice and triumph.
Omusala guno Katonda agala tukukwatibwa nsonyi bwe tutununula butulokola era nsanga abavubu abeetika omusalaba nembeewuunya nembasaamu ekitiibwa ekyenjawulo tunayambala sakuleete bugwagula obuliko omusalaba.
The day was made even more memorable with the official installation of Reverend Father Richard Nsubuga as the new parish priest.
Maaso g'ekibiina ekereziya akuŋŋaanye era abakristu boogenda okukulembera namukakasa obweyamo bwakuba bonna bakutuuka okusaserdoti amaliriro obuvunaanyizibwa bw'okukulembera abantu ba Katonda ng'olabira ku kristu omusaserdoti omulanzi era kabaka mu kifo kino eky'omutuukirivu Denis Ssebuggwawo maliridde tuula mu ntebe eno ey'obukulembeze era ey'obulamuzi olembera enyiga z'Omukama era oziramu mu mazima.
Two sacraments, Confirmation and Matrimony, were also administered during the Mass. Addressing the newly wedded couples, the Most Reverend Ssemogerere challenged them to build exemplary family homes anchored in Catholic values, cautioning that the collapse of the family institution would spell the collapse of humanity itself.
njagala kuzaala abaana bubiri bokka gumala bukumala niyagamba bumalani wetonda zaala abaana tembalabirungi kuba Francis ye yali practical tadda nnyo mu bino byologi bingi yagamba nti abafumbo tebalina okukola tebalinagenda kwebaka balina okwogera ebigambo bisatu bijja kuwangaza obufumbo. Ekisooka I'm sorry.
The government was also represented at the highest level. The Vice President of Uganda, Her Excellency retired Major Jessica Alupo, was the guest of honor, though represented by the State Minister for Disability Affairs, Honorable Helen Grace Asamo. Delivering the Vice President's remarks, she applauded the Catholic Church for its outstanding contribution to national development, particularly through its unwavering support in advancing government's socio-economic transformation programs.
As you all know, the government of Uganda and the NRM government cherishes and appreciates the great contribution of various religious institutions, and in particular, the role of the Catholic Church in the development efforts of the country. The Church has been very instrumental in supporting government efforts in the fields of education, health, skilling, and economic empowerment. Remarkable progress has also been realized in mobilizing parishioners to undertake government programs like the PDM, Emyoga, and many others.
Beyond the spiritual celebrations, the parish also undertook an ambitious spirited fundraising campaign aimed at clearing a 700 million shillings bank loan. The loan was acquired for the purchase of a 50 by 130 feet piece of land earmarked for the parish's expansion and future development projects